Oh, sorry. Guys, for doing regular stuffs, regular work, you just need normal energy. Like to do routine work, for eating, walking, running, you just need normal energy. But if you want to do something very special, or I can say vital things, then you can't do that thing with this normal energy. You need something extra. You need some extra push. You need some extra energy. And that extra energy is known as motivation. Yes, motivation. In Hindi, motivation means prerna. Good evening, guys. I'm your friend Ankit Sharma. Again, I am here with my new topic. So, today I'm going to share my views on the topic. Why do we need motivation? हमें मोटिवेशन की ज़रूरत क्यों है? हमें प्रेरणा की ज़रूरत क्यों है? Why do we need? So, why do we need motivation? Any answers? Okay, let me tell you. Motivation help us to achieve goals. Motivation help us to achieve our dreams. Motivation help us to do something extraordinary. Motivation is an important life skill. If we don't have motivation, we can't do something extraordinary. We can do ordinary things, but you can't do extraordinary things without motivation. You need motivation. People who feel self-motivated, they achieve success at the higher rate as compared to those who don't feel self-motivated. That's the impact of motivation. Still not clear? I help you out in this. Let me prove this, that why we need motivation. And I will not give an example of some other person. I give example of myself. So, story time. So you know that I'm a cricket lover. Last month, what happened? I went with my friends for playing cricket after a long time. So what happened at that playground? We had a match series with a team of different area. We at the end of two matches, we all are even. That is 1-1 win each side. Now all eyes on the third match. That is decider. Third match of the series, that is decider. So we won the toss and asked the opponent to bat first. They bat first, we bowled, and they gave the target of 110 runs in just 10 overs. And that was brilliant target given by the opponent team. So unfortunately, our opener were not clicked. They both were got to the pavilion first over at the score of 15 runs. At that time, I went to the crease at the score of 15-2 with one of my teammates. We both built a partnership and help our team to come out that trouble. And we are doing very well at that time. I am serious at that time. But suddenly what happened? Opponent team strike back. They took 3 wickets in an over. That is hat-trick by their bowler. Because of that hat-trick, we again get back to that loser end. We are losing hopes. At that time, I was the only recognized batsman at the crease, and with me, with my teammate, that is a bowler and not a proper batsman. I am that the proper batsman at that time. So now the whole responsibility is on me. But as the time progresses, I attacked at their bowler. I scored runs, having fours, sixes, doubles, singles, and we are doing pretty well for coming out that of trouble time. And soon we come out of that trouble time. But human error. I felt tired because of sweat and summer humidity. I felt tired and I was ready to give up and to throw my bag and sit in the pavilion end. But what I saw, what I can hear, that suddenly my whole team members cheering my name and my teammate name, which is on the other end, they were cheering for us. They were shouting our names. They were saying that you can do that, Ankit, you can do that, Ankit, something like this. Because of that cheering, or you can say shouting, I felt energetic. I feel motivated. And the feeling that I'm going to give up, that was gone. And at the end of the match, I scored around 75 odd runs and I helped my team to win that match. You see, motivation. Motivation given by my teammates at that particular time helps me to score runs, score 50 for myself and help my team to come out of the trouble and won the team for match and won the series as well. That's motivation for you. Motivation helps you to come out of that comfort zone. Motivation helps you to move one extra mile. Motivation helps you to take one more extra step. Maybe just that one more extra step will be help you to win that particular work, or you can say particular task. That's motivation for you. That's how motivation works. If at that time, if my team members will not motivate me, then how can I push myself so that I can make runs for my team? I can't really. But that's the motivation from my team. Because of that, I make run and won the match for my team. You see, that's the use of motivation, being motivated by the others, by self, something. It's not important that who will motivates you. It can be a quote, it can be a person, it can be a situation, it can be anything. But the important thing is that you need to be motivated. If you want to achieve something good, you feel motivated. If you want to achieve your dreams, you feel motivated. If you want to achieve your goals, you feel motivated. If you want to earn money, $1,000,000, you feel motivated. Human without motivation is not a human. It's just like a robot. The only difference between a robot and a human, that is motivation. That's motivation. Motivation will work for you. You just need to say yourself that I can do this. I will do this. And somehow I will do this. That's motivation will work for you. You need to understand the importance of motivation. Okay, let me tell you few benefits of motivation. Motivation helps you to improve your efficiency. It leads to winning the situation. It leads to stabilize your relationship. It leads to to stabilize your friendship. It leads you to come out of that comfort zone. It leads you to increase your efforts to win that particular situation, particular task. That is what motivation do for you. So I hope I am clear very much that why motivation will help you and why we need motivation. That's something we need to understand, that motivation is an urgency for us, is an important skill for us. And let me tell you one thing, if no one will motivate you, then go in your washroom or you in your bedroom, stand in front of a mirror and see that man in that mirror. If you can't do thing for yourself, then do things for that person in the mirror. Do that thing for that person in the mirror, that is you. Do things for yourself. If someone say negative about you, it motivates you. If someone say positive about you, it motivates you. People encourages you, people discourage you as well, but it's all up to you that what you will take, encouragement or discouragement, negativity or positivity, what you will take. I'll take positivity, I will take encouragement, not discouragement, or you can say negativity. That's all up to me. And in this video, I hope I am very much clear that why we need motivation, that why I need motivation, why you need motivation, and why we all need motivation. Because the only difference between a robot and a human, that is motivation. So I hope I clear somehow your doubts about why we need motivation. Thank you.